How to delete second account on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Instagram on your mobile. As you open Instagram on your mobile, go to the profile option that is located down below. As you go to the profile option that is located down below, then from the account option that is up above where my name is written, you can select the account you want to delete. So let's say I am deleting the second account, so I am going to click on that. As I click on that, I am going to open my second account. For deleting this account, I have to go to these three lines up above, then go to settings, and after setting I have to go to help. As I go to help, I have to go to help center. As the help center is opening, then in the search tab or search panel, write down delete account. Now here you have to click on the first link, that is how to delete my Instagram account. As I click on first of that, then go down, and over there you can see if you would like to delete different account, then delete your account page. Click on that. Now from here you have to select a reason. As you select a reason and then enter your password, then you can delete your account. This is how you can delete your second account on Instagram. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and also hit the like button. Thanks you. Have a nice day.